Hi everyone. I'm Toby Turtle, the official mascot of STO Summit Spring 2025. We're excited to share the recorded sessions from the world's leading summit on security tokens and real-world assets. Now, let's dive into today's talk from one of our global leaders. Hey Augustine, over to you.
Please welcome Jorge García Travesí, founder of FINPEI, discussing ESG and sustainability in Latin America.
I'm founder of FINPEI in Mexico. We're working on the intersection of real estate sustainability and tokenized finance. First of all, thanks for the organizers of STO Summit to gather us all and to see us different perspectives from all the world, from legal, technical, technology, financial, and business models. We right now know there are emerging technologies, right? I'm excited to contribute from Latin America perspective. This is a region of full potential, urgency, and innovation. So I want to share 3 key ideas from ESG for people that doesn't know what ESG stands for, is environmental, social, and governance. So right now, this is not just a marketing differentiator with ESG. This is blockchain-based reporting and verification for people that are trying to implement this type of frameworks. It's not right now only based on marketing, it's based on transparency. So this is a huge asset under management from ESG standards for 30 trillion in all the world. A lot of funds are trying to look where to put the money here in LATAM, especially in Mexico and the big countries that are trying to fit in those frameworks. Europe, you know, guys, that it's insane the amount of money that it wants to be directed to this type of investments. So global capital is moving toward ESG. So I think if we are trying to do something for long-term credibility and prosperity, we need to focus also on environmental stuff. So we're facing here in Latin America a lot of challenges, but there's also great potential to do a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna be in legal framework because we have a panel after this, but here we have a lot of flexibility to start doing a lot of projects and be creative that in other countries they cannot have this like free and open source of business model that we guys have right now. So we are doing a project that involves tokenization, architecture, investment, and everything related with ESG. So we're doing like first trials in some cities in Mexico. It's very good how we are seeing the response of the people of the events we are attending. All of the events on real estate are talking about the like green funds that want to allocate capital where all of this stuff is going on. So it's very important, not just in a marketing basis, to keep in mind that if you want to raise more capital, you have to put some green impact on it, just not for the marketing, but for the transparency. So here in Latin, we're providing ground. Also about tokenization and the future, they were telling in the last panel that we have a lot of friction and barriers between DeFi and customers. I think the learning curve is steep, but the bridge between all these barriers we're watching today is going to be AI agents. They are going to help us to do this more in a smoother way, because right now, as they told before, Binance and all of the centralized institutions, they are very easy to use, but they are centralized. So we need AI to step on all of our processes for us to have everything more automated and take out the barrier for our investors. So the task that will be automated is due diligence, wallet management, impact tracking, everything we're trying to solve and to put in blockchain-based reporting will be then automated with AI. So I wanted to add that ESG plus AI plus everything that is going on is the thing that funds are looking for right now here in LATAM. So my final message for you guys is that ESG gives us the compass. We've designed projects with both of the ground up, and we put tokenization not only as a marketing stuff, because right now in some countries tokenization is just like a marketing differentiator. But if we do it like for doing the transparency of how we guys are doing the investments and stuff, I think it's very interesting, the financial future we can be proud of. And well, I'm open to any collaborations and talk about the LATAM environment and how the companies you guys are having in all the countries can be placed also in LATAM. How you guys, if you want to understand how capital is being raised here in LATAM, also if you're looking for a legal framework, the countries where you need to put your headquarters, here is very interesting. We can be creative in the models we're making, and we're very near from US where the capital we all know came from. So thanks for having this platform, and let's keep building together, and we'll see you on panel discussion for talking more about legal framework and specifics.
Thanks for joining us at STO Summit Spring 2025. Stay curious, stay connected, and remember, the future is tokenized.